Hi my beauties, my name is Jan Benham and it's a beautiful sunny day outside. And today I'm going to be making two products, a foundation stick I'm going to be trying out and also some new pressed eyeshadow colours. So that's two items that probably be in two different videos. So we have a lot to do today, so let's begin.
So in this video, we are making foundation sticks. This is experimental. And in order to do that, we needed to make a foundation first. So this is a white powder of a mix of things like zinc oxide, rice powder, oat silk that forms the base for the foundation. And then we add the pigment, which has been pre-blended from various oxides, and then blend it together in order to make the right shade of foundation. This pigment makes more of a neutral shade, which works for both cool and warm skin tones. So in order to make the foundation stick, we have a pre-prepared wax and oil blend. This is all natural with canalba wax, and we melt it. And then we mix the foundation into the pre-made blend of waxes and oils. We then used a lipstick mold. We're trying this out, remember, this is experimental. And then we had also some push-up cardboard tubes, which we were trying out. So here are the push-up cardboard tubes. And again, we just put the foundation powder into the liquid wax oil and poured into the container. Then we let it set and cool down. We first of all took the one out of the lipstick mold. When I tried these out, I did find out that the push-up containers were a little hard to use, so I would certainly prefer the one in the lipstick tube. And what we did do earlier, I had made one in a lighter color as well, and you can see the two shades here.
So as you can see today, we made quite a few different products. We started off with a stick foundation and I put one into a push-up cardboard container, and it's pretty stiff to push up, so I don't know if I'd go with that. And the other one I did in the same one in a lipstick tube, which is actually much easier. I've already tried it out and I put a little bit of the foundation on my face and it actually works really, really well. And it's quite, it blends in and it covers nicely without being, it's not really a concealer, but it's a lovely cream foundation. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay beautiful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And it's bye for now.